and gentlemen, my name is Dr. John Belkowitz, and shit, she's like a ninja.
I am.
Like a ninja. Okay, we got a Q&A day today. This is from DEYC3. David, thank you very much for these questions. Ding! By the very nature of a colloidal silica is already wet. Is it possible that the supplier is confusing the terms wetting agent and dispersant? And that goes back to the vlog 376 that we did on is a wetting agent required when using colloidal silica. And David, you are correct in that colloidal silica is a wet product. Colloid assumes that it's a universal dispersion in a liquid media, and our media here is water. But the supplier is not confusing anything here. That we do need a wetting agent, and a wetting agent is a. Let me just pull up the definition real quick. Wetting agent, a chemical that can be added to a liquid to reduce its surface tension and make it more effective in spreading over and penetrating surfaces. And David, that's what we want with colloidal silica. You know, there's a lot of talk of using colloidal silica as a densifying agent. The problem is if you take colloidal silica and if you just spray it over the concrete, there are certain colloidal silicas, especially the less expensive ones to make and the easier ones to make, that they might penetrate into the surface, but they're not going to penetrate that far into the surface. So we do need to blend them with a agent that lowers the surface tension without really changing up the dispersion itself, so that we can get that penetration into the interstitial layers of the concrete. I mean, unless you're trying to create that seal at the top surface, the greater the penetration into the concrete, the greater depth, or the greater the effect it's going to have at greater depths. And what that means is making your concrete stronger and last longer throughout. So yes, with a lot of colloidal silicas, you do need a wetting agent or even a dispersing agent or both to make it a more viable or effective material to make that concrete stronger and last longer, to effectively manipulate those molecular kinetics of that cementitious and pozzolanic hydration. So hopefully answered your question. David, as always, thank you. You rock, man. Have a great day. Go concrete! Innocent!